We are living on a giant spinning ball, rotating around the sun, which is floating through the universe. A ball. We will now present you a different perspective. The Earth is flat and stationary, surrounded by a circle of ice that contains all the oceans, from where the sparkly vault of the firmament raises, under which rotates sun and moon in circular orbits very similar to each other. This model, known as the flat Earth, is way far from what the modern man is able to accept. Let's see why. Recently, Obama and Hillary Clinton have talked about flat Earth.
They must have been founding members of the Flat Earth Society. They would not have believed that the world was round.
They are basically the current protagonists of the crew, which for centuries guarantees dominion of the world to a few. They talk about it, avoiding the argument with the satire method, which is the treatment of mocking and discrediting everyone that questions any official versions. As always, we will venture into the road that most might find wrong. Francis Bacon, New Organ, 1620. Truth uncovers faster from mistakes than from confusion. The flat Earth argument, quickly divulging on the web, dragging in researchers and average people. Thomas Kuhn's experiment will show you why, in his most famous work, The Structure of the Scientific Revolutions. can't yet know if this crisis will turn into a scientific revolution that will subvert the model, but the breaking points of the system seem to be unequivocally emerging. Before exposing them, a preface. All the information in the astronomical field come exclusively from the deceptions of the space agency monopoly. These, careful not to contradict each other, have a common dominator. As common is the vector of all their logos. Every image, testimony, experiment, information, exploration, and scientific hypothesis about Earth and what surrounds it is born or created here under the vector's protection at the expense of the worldwide contributor.